Hi everyone, welcome back to Blazor UI lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a button with badge in Blazor using only C# and Razor components without any JavaScript or third-party libraries. Badges are perfect for showing notifications, message counts, or alerts on buttons, making your Blazor app more interactive, user-friendly, professional, and good-looking. So let's start building button with badges. Okay, let's start building our button with the badge. So we'll create a new component. Let's call this button. Button, and then the CS file as well. And the style sheet. Okay, so we have our files in place. So first we will define the properties. So what properties we need in our button? Okay, so let's start. And our button should have text. So that we can display on the button. Okay, and then it should have the badge value also, which we want to display onto the button. So let's have one more parameter, public int badge value. Badge value, and we need one more property so that we can fix that. Okay, if the badge value exceeds that limit, then it should show a plus symbol at the end of value, otherwise it should show the full value. So we need a badge limit as well, one more parameter, so we can call it badge value limit. Okay, so we have that, all the properties what we need in place, and then we are done over here. So yeah, we can set the default um, value limit also, unless otherwise we set. So usually what we'll do is that one, if it grows across the double digits, or if it goes to the 100 or maybe more, so we don't want to display, let's have to 2 digits, so it will show all the badge values between 0 to 99. So which is, otherwise you can set this explicitly also from the demo page, which I'll show you in a while. So this is it. Now we need to write the HTML for this. So definitely we'll take a button. No, not this one, HTML one. Okay, and then it will show the text what we have over there. It will show the text. Okay, and it will also show the badge. So the idea is that one, it won't show the badge always, but if the badge has a value greater than 0, only then it should show. So we can have a conditional rendering over here. If badge value is greater than 0, only then we should display the badge, otherwise we won't. So this is the condition we can set over here. And then over here we will have a div which will serve as a badge, and then let's have a class which I'll show you in a while, button badge. Okay, and then the value also. But as we have the limit over here, we will take care of this limit while displaying over here, whether we need to show the full value or we need to truncate it and show the plus symbol. So conditionally we'll test that if badge value is greater than or equals, even equals also, because 99, then even then it shows the plus sign. So greater than or equals the badge value limit, then what it should do, it should show the plus symbol. So let's have a string interpolation over here. So we can say over here, the badge value limit, badge value, it should show the limit, means if it is 100, it will show the 99 over here plus this symbol over here. Otherwise it should show the full value. Then it need not to show the plus symbol or any other thing. So badge value. So this was the only logic. So if the badge value is exceeding or equals the limit, then it should show the limit. So definitely if it's 100, it will show the limit, which should be 99 over here plus symbol. Otherwise it show the full value. So this is that one. We're done over here. Not too much complicated stuff. All simple, very simple logic. And then we have our properties ready, and then but CSS also. For this one, to save time, I have made the CSS ready. So this is the same CSS which we used for our progress button component. So I took from there, and then we will walk through this for sure. It has one additional badge class, CSS class, otherwise all same. So this is the same CSS we used in our last video where we were showing the progress button. We have a different type of buttons, base button, and then primary button, success button, warning. But this one is additional one which will be a badge, so which has a certain width, and then minimum width also we can set that. Otherwise it will be shown like an oval shape, and then a font size, and then just tweak for the paddings. You can adjust it according to your requirement if you want it to be, but I think so we need not to do in our demo. And then it has a border radius as well. You can remove the radius if you don't want it to have, then it will show slightly smaller. And then definitely should have a position absolute, because we want to position it from the upper right corner of the button. So, and then we are just deflecting from the top and right a bit. And then background color is red, so you can choose the red of your choice. And then if the text in any case exceeds, then it will show the ellipsis along with the text. So it doesn't wrap the text, so it will stay on the single line, and then overflow is hidden, so that doesn't have the overflow. But apart from this setting, we need to set the button position relative also, which we already set. So position should be relative, then it will allow this button to position within itself. So we have the CSS in place, we have the properties, we have the button, and then I have already created the demo page as well, where we want to demo this. If you go over here, so this is the demo, button demo. So we can put this new component over here. So it already has action, so it's good. And then text, I can call button, and then badge value, maybe 3, yeah. And then let's execute and see how does it work. Button is ambiguous because we have a model also with the same name which we used in our previous demo. So it says that you already have a button, so we need to have some strongly typed. So it shows that this one is good, it's an action. And if we go over here, then this one is action, good. And yeah, so let's see that what does it complains. So over here actually, because this is a previous demo, so we need to have sorry, You need to adjust it over here. It clashed with. So just a while we'll adjust this with having a namespace also. Okay. Where is else? Yeah. So, but group also invites this, and then we need to change over there also. Action. So over here as well. These are as well because. Yep. One more. Button group items. Yeah, seems fine now. Seems fine. Okay. Yeah, there's a button, but doesn't show up the CS as well. So we need to check why it is not showing. Button dot eraser dot CSS button. Yeah, we need to define that. We need to no, we need to define the class also along with the button. Otherwise, it won't work. So class equals button, and then let me miss that. Yeah, it shows up. It shows up this three, and then but this doesn't. So we'll check it in a while. But it shows nicely the badge over here, and then definitely it's below 100, so it will show the full value. But why it's not showing? Yeah, but we need to have the button type as well. Only then it will apply it primary or something by default. So let's copy this property from the progress button. This property, because after all everything we copied from there, but this not so. Okay, and then it shows over here. See, same logic, no change, nothing. Where's my button? Over here. So apart from this one, it will also show the property to the, what is that? Yeah, one missed that. So it will show us the, so what is the wrong? Oh yeah, over here. So it will show the, whether it's a primary or something, but otherwise it will show by default the primary one. So that could be the reason. So just want to verify this change. Whether it takes effect, then we'll discuss further. Yeah, it shows now the primary button with badge, and then that's fine. So let's copy this to show the different values over here. So let me copy this. 2, 3, 4. So let me show different values. Maybe 10, maybe 25, then maybe 100. Okay, so let us see that. How does it look now with the different badge values? Yeah, it shows perfectly what we want it to be, because if it's a single digit, it shows nicely. And then if 2 digits also, and then if it exceeds the badge value limit, then it shows a plus symbol and then the limit over here. So it works nice the way we want it to be. Definitely you can have a different button, like primary button, then success button, warning button, and then info button. Just for the sake of demo, I just have the primary button, and then we can adjust our badge value. So let me try one more thing actually. With the zero then it should not show the badge at all. So if I supply the 0 value or don't supply, then it's always 0. So it should not show the badge at all. So that will confirm. Yeah, it's nice. That's it. That's what we want. So if the badge value is 0, it won't display anything. But if the badge value has some greater than 0 value, then it will show them single digits, 2 digits, and then if the value exceeds the limit. So hopefully this video helped you to understand how we can build great UI with simple logic and then without Bootstrap, JavaScript, or other complicated third-party libraries. Thanks for watching. Thank you.